AI plants trimming videos are absolutely exploding on social media right now. And here's the best part. This niche still has very little competition. That means if you start creating these videos today, you have a huge opportunity to grow your audience and potentially go viral. And in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to create these videos from start to finish, step by step. Before we get started, make sure to subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification bell so you never miss any future AI tutorials. First, copy the prompt link that I've pinned in the comment section and open ChatGPT. Paste the prompt into ChatGPT and click Send. ChatGPT will instantly suggest several creative ideas. Simply pick the one you like the most and send it back to ChatGPT. It will then generate a detailed image prompt and a matching video prompt for your chosen idea. Next, open Flow AI and switch to the image section. Paste the image prompt and click Send. Within a few moments, Flow AI will generate a high-quality image for you. Now, go back to ChatGPT and copy the video prompt. Return to Flow AI, click on the generated image, and select Animate. Choose the video section, set the model to Omni Flash, paste the video prompt, and click Send. After a short wait, Flow AI will generate your first video. Once your video is ready, open it and look for the frame option at the top near the end of the video. Click on it, and Flow AI will automatically generate a brand new image from that frame. After that, go back to ChatGPT and copy the second video prompt. Return to Flow AI, click on the newly generated image, select Animate, paste the prompt, and click Send. In just a few moments, Flow AI will generate your second video. Finally, open your favorite video editing software, import all the clips, arrange and adjust them properly, and when everything looks perfect, click Export. And that's it. Your AI plants trimming video is now ready to upload. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to smash the like button, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment to let me know what you'd like to learn next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.